Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome back. This is a sad week in Kenya where a prominent leader, we lost him, Raila Amolo Odinga. And this video was yesterday in Kasarani Stadium where thousands of Kenyans, thousands of citizens of Kenya were trying to view his body pale Kasarani after waliambiwa kwamba Raila Amolo Odinga hataweza kuwa na parliament. A lot of people venye tu body ilishuka pale JKIA, walienda pale JKIA wakakuja pole pole hadi Kasarani, wakachange venue tu Kasarani. So watu wakakuja hapo, sijui walisumbua ama ni nini. So the police had to use tear gas to at least to make protocols to happen. And according to reports ni kwamba watu watatu hivi sasa wamefariki na wengine wengi wameumizwa kwa sababu ya hiyo msukumano ya watu kutaka kuangalia hiyo body at that particular time. That is not the only occasion we want to talk about today. We want to talk about Aziad Nasenya, mwenye amekama up clearly akasema, why is it that Kenyan musicians are not coming up with songs ani wakuja kama venye Tanzania musicians walikuja 2020 wakimwimbia, was it 2020 or 2021, wakimwimbia Magufuli after he lost his life. So Bahati amekama hapa kaimba wimbo wake personal, but Aziad Nasenya ni kama anataka musicians to come up together waimbe one of the greatest song ya kumkumbuka Raila Amolo Odinga, in which people call him, he is an enigma. Is it an enigma leader? And they transpire him as one of the best Kenyan leaders ever.
Ni bahati tena hii barua kwa baba, tunalia sana nitambiaje mama Aida eti umeenda, tambiaje Winnie Odinga eti umeenda.
Now the Kenyan socialite Aziad Nasenya anataka isikuwe an individual thing, ikuwe something like a collection of group musicians wote Kenya, kama ni Calligraph Jones, Prince Inda, Bahati, Yani, wote wana come up together or produce one song. Sijui kama mnakumbuka ile time ya Magufuli akiwa akifariki, kina Harmonize, Diamond, Rayvanny, Zuchu, wote wakikama up together wakikabifu kando na wakamaanisha this is something we have to do it together because he's a prominent leader. So Aziad anataka kitu kama hiyo.
Hi, a sad morning it is, and I have an unpopular opinion, okay? This goes to Calligraph Jones, Okolio Max, Prince Inda, Bahati, all artists, all big artists, you know. You all remember back then when Magufuli died, how Tanzanians came together, almost like 12, 13 artists, and paid a tribute to him. If you don't know that song, just look at it on YouTube. Like, it's amazing. It's a beautiful song that was just singing about his achievements and how great of a leader he is. And I mean, we've lost one. We've lost a hero, a legend. Our hearts are just bleeding. They're bleeding. They're hurting, but their blood is not coming out. So why don't you guys just like come together? Come together. Nadia Mukami, everybody, come together. Sanaipe Itande, sing. I'm just mentioning a few, the ones that my head can think of right now. But like the big artists, come together, do something for Baba. Willy Paul, what's up? Si mwingi tu kwa studio nyinyi wote mara moja mtu weke kitu muimbe pamoja. You know? I think that would be amazing. I don't know.
So watu wamechukulia hii kitu, wengine wamechukulia na better way, wanasema it is quite good. Watu watoe wimbo pamoja, it will be a nice idea for Kenyans. At least tufikiria hivyo, tutoe wimbo moja kali ya Baba. Then others, you know, Aziad does amekuwa na shida zake, amekuwa na short times, na wengine wanasema kwamba badala ya kuomba kuchangiwa rent ana advice Kenyan musicians, like Kenyans ni Kenyans too. So Aziad Nasenya is calling upon all Kenyan artists at least to come together, watoe wimbo moja kali ya kumsifia Raila Amolo Odinga at this hii particular time yenye amefariki dunia. So guys, that is what is trending for now. Thank you for subscribing to this YouTube channel. Continue subscribing, by the way. Like, share, and comment. Then we'll see you in the next. May Baba's soul rest in eternal peace. Ciao.